Where's Daddy with the potatoes?
Not to worry. Daddy will soon join us.
But you're not happy. Is it because Daddy scolded you last night?
Sarah, you talk too much. Eat your food.
But you're not happy.
Who told you I'm not happy? Eat your food.
I'm off.
Baby, won't you at least have something to eat?
I'm not hungry.
What do you mean you're not hungry? Did you eat in your dreams?
Stupid question.
Oh, okay, please, can you at least help me drop the rent?
Yeah, I'm leaving the house now. But I'll get to the hotel, drop my bag before going to the location. Yes. Yeah, I'll go back to the hotel later tonight after the day's shoot. Okay, when are you coming? Okay. I'll meet you up there. Yeah, the normal room. Okay. Bye. Okay.
Girlfriend, what's up? Are you just coming back?
Yeah, I just came out to prepare food for him.
Okay, so how far now?
My sister, everything is going as planned.
Wow, that's my baby girl.
Come in, let me go prepare the food. I'll see you later.
All right, then. Take care.
Since morning, no shelter, no cold water, sun everywhere.
Oh, don't worry, you have me here now. Missed you. Missed you. Do you know what you're going to do for me? You go in there, take your shower, come out and keep your sheets.
You see, that's why I can stop talking.
Guess what? Guess.
I'm not good at guessing.
Baby, just guess.
Talk to me what is it.
Okay, since you can't guess, I brought something for you. Your favorites.
For you?
Oh food that you thought for you now. Just take your shower.
No, stop!
Let me see the food now.
No, I insist. You have to take your bath first.
Okay. Let me...
Okay. Oh.
That's my girl.
Enjoy. Baby. Are you enjoying it?
Let's do it. I've told you to be patient about these things. Don't rush it. Okay?
But at least have you told her?
Can I at least finish my
Okay. Sorry. Enjoy your meal. Have you told her?
Jane, do you think it's easy telling a woman you once loved, a woman that has done a lot for you, that you want a divorce? You think it's just like that?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
I told you to allow things to work out naturally. By the time I became hostile to her and make life unbearable for her, she would be the one asking me for divorce.
Listen, do you think it's easy? Come on, it's not easy for a woman who has done almost everything to just wake up one morning and tell you she wants to go for divorce. You are the man. You are the one to take the decision since you said you no longer love her. I'm a woman. I know what I'm talking about. Unless there is something you're not telling me. Maybe you're not telling me the truth.
Why do you say something like that?
Were you not the same person who said you no longer love her? That you love me now. So what is still keeping you from going for this divorce? And at least make me your wife officially. I mean, this is not nice. See, let me tell you, if your plan is to keep having me as a mistress and someday you dump me, it's not gonna work. Ibezim, because I'm a woman. And I need to have my own home, have my own children. Ibezim, it's either you take me home as your wife or we'll stop this whole shit, because I'm not gonna continue.
Can I at least get some rest tonight? I had a very hectic day at vacation today. Please, my love, maybe tomorrow. Please.
Coming to the location to do what?
To see me, of course. Is there anything wrong in coming to the location to see your guy?
Ibezim, how many times have your wife come to the location to see you?
She used to come. Always.
So if I come to your location to see you, who are you going to tell your crew members that I am? Your girlfriend?
See, Jen, I only asked you a question. Don't start this morning.
Wait. You only asked a question. See, I am sick and tired of this your hide and seek game. For Christ's sake, what do you take me for? Ibezim, say, just look at me very well. I have this quality you can never ever find in any other woman. So why play me your mistress? This will be the last time I will come to see you in the hotel room. Do you understand me? If you want the real thing, you know where to find me.
It has not gotten to this.
Ibezim, it has gotten to everything. Come on! You get that thing in your house and you call her your wife. Then me, your mistress. Check it out. It's odd.
Okay. See, once I'm through with the film I'm shooting and get home, I'm going to tell her about the divorce.
You promise?
Yes, I promise. Cross my heart.
Are you serious?
Do you know he has not called to check up on me? Or called to find out how our daughter is faring?
This is an abomination.
The times I tried to call, he didn't pick my calls.
This has gotten to the height of it. And something needs to be done fast.
What will I do now? What will I do?
Maybe I should talk to him. Please. And call him to order.
No. No. It's not an option. My husband does not like anybody involved in our affair. He will just conclude that I have been tail-bearing with his name. No, that's not an option.
Sometimes men need to be called to order, especially by a third party. Either a friend to the marriage or a parent to the man.
Since we started this union, one thing I have learned is that my husband does not like a third party involved in our affair. He hates it with so much passion.
So, are we going to keep watching him like this? He can't continue misbehaving. He has a home, a wife and a daughter, and he should be responsible.
I have resorted to prayers. God is my only option now. So 4 times 4?
16.
16, good. So 5 times 5?
Equals to 20.
No.
25.
Good. So you write it down here. Clap for yourself. Next one is 7 times 7. I think that is back. Okay, let's go back on that. Welcome, honey. Let me help you lift your bag. What have I done to deserve this? Why are you frustrating me like this? Please say something. Your silence is killing me.
Do you really want to know?
Yes, I do.
I'm sick and tired of this marriage. I need a divorce.
What did you just say?
Exactly what you heard. Let's go our separate ways. The love I thought I had for you has eluded me. Melody, I don't love you anymore. Let's call this marriage quits.
Baby, is this you actually talking? Or is this something, a demon talking through you?
If there is any demon in this house, I'll show you.
See me on my knees, darling, I'm begging you please. I've learned my lesson, I'll never do it again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. Let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I never knew. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go.
Dad, it's not eating the sausage.
Of course he will. I'll go and call him, okay?
Baby, your food is ready.
I don't want to eat your food anymore. Eat your food with your daughter.
Baby, are you serious with what you said?
Yes. That is what I want. Divorce. Give it to me.
I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. Let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had.
Mom, where is he's not coming.
Oh, darling. Daddy is very tired. He's been working for 2 weeks now and he needs to rest. Okay?
Okay, will you join us tomorrow?
Of course he will. Come on, eat your food.
Baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again.
You're disturbing me with this, your cry. If you want to cry, you go to the living room.
What did I do wrong?
Yeah, guess what? I've told her. Yeah, trust me now. Yeah, I'm about to enter my car and I'm driving to Enugu. Yeah, I just want to take some days off. She has been a stress on my head. Okay, just wait for me at the usual hotel. In less than 3 hours, I should be in Enugu. Okay? Yeah. Okay, baby. I love you too. Okay. Bye-bye.
How can one wake up one morning and start asking for a divorce? Oh. No. This is not ordinary. And we cannot sit and fold our arms while the devil ruin your marriage. Why me? Why me? What have I done wrong? What have I done to deserve all this? What? I have devoted everything to this union. I have given it my life, my money, my blood, everything. Why is this happening to me? Why? I know it's bad. But crying will not solve this problem. This is a spiritual battle, and we have to fight it spiritually. Please. Have I not been praying? Have I not been praying? I have been praying. I have been praying. Don't worry. We need to seek a higher spiritual authority. The devil cannot rule over this. Wait, do you know my man called me this morning?
Yes? Has he told her?
Of course. He told his wife about the divorce.
Wow. That's my babe. Give me five, give me five, give me five. I trust him now. We know they carry last.
Of course. Babe, see, the last time I spent with him was very hot for him. He didn't even know when he started promising. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that once I get back. And trust me, he kept to his promises.
Oh, I like that. The next thing for you to do now, babe, is to follow up. Babe, follow up, oh. Don't relax. Don't give a breathing space at all. See, it does not just end in telling her alone. But he has to do it very, very fast, yeah?
Abby?
Yes, sir.
See, babe, don't worry about that. You know why? He's on his way to Enugu. And trust me, this whole thing is not going to take up to a month for me to be officially called Mrs. Ibezim.
Wow, that's my baby girl.
I'm so excited.
Oh, God, I trust you now. Please get something. Let's go inside, let's go inside, let's go inside.
See, the devil actually gave me a mighty book of temptation to sweep me off his joy and happiness to his damnation. But thank God you're here today. Okay? And what you have to do now is to engage to bring him to the office. Prayers and fasting.
But, Pastor, is there no way you can go ahead with these prayers without having to bring him here?
There are some things I need to do. There are some mysteries around him that will open his eyes to his kingdom before the prayers.
Pastor, I understand. But having to convince my husband to come here with me, that's going to be a big problem. My dear, don't worry. I will talk to him. I believe he will give me a listening ear. Pastor, please, he will come and see you any moment from now.
That would be great.
Okay, thank you so much, Pastor. Thank you. are you going to go about telling him this? Huh? I don't want him seeing it as if I've gone around town telling people about our marital affair.
Don't worry. I know exactly how to tell him.
Please, I don't want any trouble. I'm tired. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You know, everything about her pisses me off. Even staying in that house is just like staying in the hell. I'm tired of everything.
That is because you've seen an angel.
No other angel like you.
That's the more reason why you should hasten up with this divorce thing. I mean, so you can have me to yourself. So first thing first, you have to bring in a lawyer. Let's do this thing swiftly. Who says we can't have our wedding in a month's time?
No. No. I can't divorce my wife and marry you in a month's time. Looks suspicious.
Do I care? Does it look like I care? I don't care what anyone thinks. What is important to me now is my joy and my happiness. I really don't care about people's opinion. You can't do this now. Can't do this.
Are you sure you're going to wait for him to come back?
Even if it means waiting all day, I will. You are my friend, and this is the time to prove it. This is the time to show meaning to our friendship.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
It's okay. And so, where exactly did he go to?
I don't know. He didn't tell me anything. He just woke up, dressed up, and he left without saying a word to me.
Shall come to pass. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
from busy to switched off. He's not going to come back home. I think he should start living. Stop crying. You have to be strong. If not for anything, for your daughter. She can't see you in this condition, else you will destabilize her mentally. It's okay. Stop crying. I heard you. Thank you. Once in every man's life, there comes a challenge. Challenges can come from any angle, in any form, but you have to be brave enough to overcome it. It came to pass, but not to stay. It will surely come to pass, and you will have back your broken hand. Thank you so much. It's okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's okay. Promise me you won't cry when I go. I won't. Please don't. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Let me see you off.
So, what should I go with?
Anything you can think of, okay? As long as it's coming from you, I will eat it.
So when are you returning back to your base?
I'm not going back today.
Why? You mean you're not filming and you're here spending money in hotel?
I'm spending the money paying the bills to be with you.
Be busy. I think the right thing to do is for you to get home. Hasten up with this divorce and make me your wife. Bring me into your house. Not spending money here.
Okay. I will be going tomorrow.
Okay, let me go get something for you. I'll be back shortly.
Okay. Don't keep me waiting.
You mean he has not called you to tell you he's not right? He's not. Where can he be now? Only God knows.
What about Zara?
She has gone to school. She kept asking about her dad. I don't even know what to tell her anymore. The devil is a liar. This marriage will not crash. Amen. Let me call him with my phone. Okay.
Hello, Madam Gold.
Good day, sir.
Good day. How is your family?
We are fine. And you? How is work going over there?
Work is fine, but I'm done with work.
Doesn't mean you are in town?
Not really. I'm still in Nollywood trying to do one or two things.
Oh. There is something I want to discuss with you.
What is it?
You know my pastor,
my mentor, Pastor Phillips.
Now, what's about him?
He called me on the phone and told me he had a revelation about my friend, whose husband is a movie director. And I only have one friend whose husband is a movie director.
And what's the revelation about me?
He would like to see you one-on-one.
Listen, Madam Gold. I don't know the business you have with the pastor. But tell him that the tricks did not work on me. You should try the next person, okay? I'm not ready to drop my 1 naira for him. Do you hear me?
You surprise me. You don't know my pastor, Pastor Phillips. How much do you think you have to give to him? My pastor does not need your money. He does not need your money, Mr. Ibezim.
I don't need his prayers either. Have a nice day.
Mr. Hello?
I told you. I know him very well. He doesn't want to use his ear to hear anything called pastor.
We will find a way to take him to my pastor. If it fails, then I will make an arrangement for my pastor to come here and see him.
I think that would be better. This is serious.
Marriage is not a do or die affair. I am no longer interested. So let us go our separate ways.
You cannot just wake up one morning and spring up a divorce. I am human. I have blood going through my veins. You know how much that I have invested to make you the big director that is now making your head puff. I know how much I have invested in this marriage. So I am not going to take any bullshit from you.
I want you to check everything you think you've invested in this marriage. I am going to double it for you. In addition to that, the normal divorce procedure was incorrect. My landed properties, the cash in the bank, I am going to divide into two and you're going to go with one. I promise. I am going to take care of Zara's feeding and education till she gets through from school. Yes, but as for this marriage, it's no longer working.
On that faith will be on the altar. We vowed for better, for worse. Till death do us part. So my darling husband, there is no way that I am going to.
You want me to kill you in this house, right?
Still,
That's what you want. Watch me do that. Since you don't want to live in peace. Who removed my charger from where I kept it?
baby, I'm sorry. My phone went off and my charger is bad, so I just decided to just charge my phone a bit. I'm sorry.
How many times have I warned you to stay away from my things, my belongings, and everything around me? How many times have I warned you?
Baby, I'm sorry.
How many times have I warned you? Are you mad?
You slapped me.
If you don't return that charger where you took it from, you again.
I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so. Give me another chance.
Stop crying.
Stop love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again.
Hello, Daddy. Good afternoon.
Sarah, have you greeted Daddy?
Me alone.
Come on, say good afternoon to the Daddy.
Me alone.
Why are you eating bread and soft drink? When you already have your food on the dining.
Very stupid man asking me that question. Very stupid.
I'm sorry.
You should be sorry for yourself.
What on earth can we call this kind? Daddy, I don't know. I just can't tell. Do you know that he doesn't eat my food in this house? Yes. He doesn't talk to me. He doesn't play with me, not even with our daughter. He's always looking for every little thing to nag at me. This is serious. My dear, last night, he raised his hands on me. But did he actually beat you? He almost did. If not for the timely intervention of our daughter, who screamed immediately he raised his hands to beat me up.
What can make a man to misbehave like this? If not that he has started seeing another one?
Exactly what I was thinking. No, you have to take it easy on him. The best weapon for a woman in marriage is patience. You just have to tolerate me. Okay? Still perform your wifely duties. We will get to the root of everything. Amen. Praise God. We need to talk.
Go on, I'm listening.
I have given your proposal a second thought. Since your mind is no longer here, there is no need living as best of enemies. I have accepted the divorce.
That's exactly what I want to hear.
But I have my condition.
Okay, name them.
Since you are the one who wants this divorce mostly, you'll be the one to leave this house for my daughter and I. We won't leave for you. I want to raise my daughter in her father's house.
I've already told you that I'm going to divide all my properties into two and give you half. If you like this house, I can probably leave it for you. And also, we're sending money for Sarah's upkeep.
I don't need your money. I can comfortably take care of my daughter.
I'll be starting a new job in the morning tomorrow. When I finish and come back home, we will go and meet our lawyer for the divorce papers.
Something to tell you.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
I can't wait for this shoot to be over. I want a divorce now.
The shoot will take just 2 weeks.
2 weeks is such a long time, and I cannot take that risk. I think we should just go see the lawyer this morning.
As you can see, I am busy and I will be busy for 2 weeks. So the divorce has to...
And I said I cannot wait. I can't wait.
Was I not the one that brought up the issue of this divorce? So I will be the one to say it when it will be done.
We are not in any competition, no. Whether you're the one who brought it out first or I'm the one, we are not in competition. All I know is that I can't wait anymore. I cannot wait.
I am installing my script for the message. You're distracting me.
Script or no script, you're looking for my trouble. I said I cannot wait. Is it my fault? You want a divorce and I want a divorce. Let's end it. The world can hear me, oh. This house will not contain us. I want a divorce now, oh. Shoot, God, shoot me. What kind of stupid question is that?
I see. Let me look for something to eat.
Like I said. Meanwhile, I'm just coming from the lawyer's place. He said he has prepared the divorce papers. So I signed my column. Whenever you are ready, Mr. Oga, go and sign yours so that we can get all this over with.
You have a letter.
Is made up. I've had enough. Let him just go. I can't keep begging for love.
So, did he finally agree to leave the house for you?
Does he have an option?
Well, if you're strong enough to take this divorce, if you are sure you're strong enough to take this divorce, well, suit yourself.
My dear, my mind is already made up. I have taken enough humiliation from him. By God's grace, my daughter and I will be fine.
So, you have it.
Thank you. So what are we toasting for?
The love everlasting. Joy, peace, happiness. Cheers, cheers, come on.
Cheers, my love. This is nice.
Yeah.
Barman! Please come, I need a bottle of beer. Rather, bottles of beer.
Jane? Are you still going to take beer after taking red wine?
Hey, Bezin, this wine is just for toast. The real thing is in beer. I mean, I'm happy. We're celebrating. Have you forgotten? Barman, where are you?
This is the 5th bottle, and you're ordering for the 6th one. Are you okay?
Hey, baby, relax. Life is for the living. I'm just having fun.
My friend, no, take it back. Take it back. Give it. Are you mad? Are you stupid? What's the problem?
Mind your business. Barman! Barman! Come. Yeah. Ibezin, if you don't have money, simply tell me you don't have money. I'll feel the bills.
Just take a sip, okay? Just a sip.
No. I don't drink alcohol.
Just a sip. I didn't say you should finish it.
And I said no.
Why?
Okay. Because I don't want to be a drunk wife and a mother. Yes. I don't want to just come home one day and I'm acting all drunk. Before you know, I'm scratching the house. I'm doing all sorts that I'll probably later regret. Yes.
Okay, I understand. But just a sip. Come on, you like it, okay? Just a sip. Just, yeah, do it.
And I said no. Walter. Come on. Yeah, that's true. Baby, no! You can't force me. No.
Nope. Don't bother. We'll be shooting all night today, and I'll be coming back tomorrow morning.
All night shoot, that means it's going to be stressful.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay. That means you want me to come back tomorrow.
Is it Dad?
Zara, eat your food. You talk a lot these days. How many times would I warn you about eating and talking? I have picked now. Can you just say whatever you have to say?
So you saw my call last night and you couldn't call me back?
Please, if you know you don't have anything else to say, I'm very busy. I don't have time to listen to this nonsense.
So I'm not talking nonsense now. So it's nonsense that I'm talking.
I can see that you have nothing better to say.
Didn't you see me? Am I not talking to you?
Please, I don't want any man to kill me in this marriage, okay? I want to leave this marriage peacefully. So please, don't just start. Don't start. Please, when are we going to sign the papers? The only thing I want to hear from you right now is when we are signing the papers for the divorce.
Is that why you're behaving this way? I see.
Are you serious? Oh my God, you're so funny. know, right? No, continue with what you were saying. I'm enjoying every bit. Yes.
Who's that guy?
Which guy?
Who is that guy that you've been answering his calls? The same reason you accepted the divorce. The same reason why you don't pick my calls. The same reason you don't care about me anymore.
What are you talking about?
Who has been taking my place?
What are you doing, Jerry?
Leave me alone! Going where?
Get out!
Leave me alone! I'm not going anywhere! Leave me!
What are we doing here?
This is where our journey into the world of two together started. Where I proposed to you and you accepted my proposal. Where our love started. I brought you here so we start all over again.
I don't understand what you're saying. Anyways, I have signed the divorce papers and I think you should go do the same.
I am not divorcing you anymore. I'm renewing my vow to you. To never allow any other woman to come between us. You are a jewel and a high ornament. Empty. I promise we will never raise voice at each other anymore. You're mine. Mine forever.
I was a fool who never knew what he had.
I don't understand what is going on anymore.
Okay,
Can you imagine if I call him, he doesn't take my call and he doesn't return the call?
Try again. How could you be so drunk to the extent you were vomiting in his hotel room? What was at the height of it, Jane?
How am I supposed to know I'll get drunk? I was only excited. I didn't drink to get drunk.
It's okay, don't cry again. Don't cry again. But you know, no man with his right senses would want to marry a drunk for a wife. You know that.
I'm not a drunk now. I'm not a drunk.
I know. I know you're not a drunk. It's okay, stop crying. Maybe you should just dial his number on my phone. Maybe we'll pick. Just dial his number. Maybe we'll pick.
Yeah. You're still getting on the line. How may I help you?
Hello, baby. Please, baby, I'm so sorry. Whatsoever I've done, please forgive me. Please.
Hey, listen, you bitch. I have gone to stay with my wife. Do you hear me? You wouldn't have been compared to her at all. Listen, it's over between us. It's over. I have gone to be my lovely wife. So stay clear. And don't you ever call this line again.
What did he say?
He dropped call on me.
Stop crying. It's okay.
Oh no! It's okay. I'm everything on the table.
It's okay.
I didn't want to say anything while you were on the phone, but we need to talk.
Okay. What are we talking about?
I'm not going back on my decision. I want a divorce.
Why are you so that you want to lose your marriage? Leave him. He's distracting you. Let us start from where we start and build our home.
Heaven knows that there is no other man in my life other than you.
Then why insisting on the divorce?
Why would you want to end this union? Just because of one stupid girl out there? Why? After all the sacrifice that I made for you, after everything that I have been through because of you, you just threw everything out the window. You just forgot about everything because of one girl.
See, baby, I said I am sorry. That was in the past. It won't happen again.
How am I sure that won't happen again? How am I sure that one girl from somewhere will not just spring up and start deceiving you again? How?
Baby, it won't happen again. I am sorry, my love. I am sorry. Please.
I don't trust you anymore. You have lost every single trust that I had in you. I can't live here with you. I have lost the trust that I had in you as a husband. I can't live in insecurity. This marriage is over.
What is this? What am I going to do? Where do I go from here?
went to bring your solicitor to solicit for you. You and your solicitor have failed.
Mamo, why am I read there? You cannot even greet your mom that you have not seen for over a month now.
Mom, I'm sorry. Please, don't mind me.
I'm minding you. I'm minding you. You want to crucify him? Because I even seem so little in your eyes.
No, Mama. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please, I'm sorry.
At the point in time, everybody deserves forgiveness. And I will not even forgive you. Okay? Because you did not do what? You did not greet me when I came. Because my manner is never. Why was on one? Nemo is more.
Welcome, Mama. Let me take your bag inside and so I can prepare something for you to eat.
Hurry up,
If you know what I went through in this house, if you know what this man here put me through because of one stupid girl out there, hey Mama, do you know that he even slapped me
because Mom, it is now, only stop crying. I understand. At least his senses has come back now. Only because all men are the same. At least let's thank God that his senses are back now. Only.
Mama, how am I sure that he will not do it again?
I am sure it will not happen. One big name. Oh, it will not happen. At least look at the consequences of his first action.
Mama, I say I don't want. I don't want this marriage again. I am tired. I'm sick and tired. Is it my fault? I don't want.
Yes, I don't want. Only because
I'm so sorry. There was traffic on the road. But I'm here now. Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
I'm good. And you?
You're welcome.
Okay.
If you like, you can go and bring everybody, the whole world here. I have made up my mind. I am not interested anymore.
Mama, please, can I take her out for some minutes?
You are free, my dear. You are free, please.
This is your wife. I hope you've liked you.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you. My love. I'm so sorry. Please, my love.
I want to say thank you for the vital role that you played in saving my marriage. Bless you.
May the name of the Lord be praised.
Always. You know, you just saved history from repeating itself.
How do you mean?
My first marriage.
Were you married before?
Thank you. Come and eat.
Auntie, I want to wash the plate first.
Come on, Joey, you can do that later. Sit down, your food is getting cold.
Auntie, I'm not done. I'll join you soon.
Okay, then. She's very hardworking, you know.
It runs in the blood.
Everything good runs in the family blood.
Yeah. Didn't you hear your uncle Jack came to pay for your bride price?
What did he say?
He said I came from a family of hardworking people. He even wanted you to follow me without paying the bride price.
Lie.
I'm lying. Marianne, you're feeling me fast.
Yes, I am, and I will. You're my husband.
I want to go for the
You're right. I was complaining. Let me help you. Okay. I really like them. She needs to get you one. Now.
You need to take care of yourself.
I will. And you too, you need to take care of yourself. I don't want you skipping lunch like you did the other time, okay?
Oh, I will.
That was as cheeky as you ever did, okay?
I'll make sure. Oh, thank you. I'll make sure I eat everything I say.
Good. Do that. You're running late.
Okay.
Hello, baby. Why would I miss my handsome husband?
But, baby, you didn't call me last night. Why?
So you want to tell me that in the whole of Enugu you couldn't get anywhere to recharge your phone?
Baby, you're working too hard. You should get something to eat. Yeah.
Okay. No, everyone is fine. Chuma is fine. Yeah. Hello? Hello?
Sweetheart, how can you ask me such questions? Of course, you know I miss you more than she does. Yeah, she's upstairs. Yeah, she's alright. I love you too. And I miss you so much. So much. Oh, go away. Okay. Did you get that? I just did it now. Oh. I'm sorry. Yes, really, I can't wait to have you back. Yeah. Okay. I love you. I love you, baby. I love you too. Bye.
Please, let me quickly use your phone. Briefly, I know it's of credit.
Is everything alright?
Everything is fine. Thank you.
Honey? Honey? How are you?
Welcome.
Honey? What is the matter?
I'm alright.
I missed you.
I know what you missed.
I missed nothing else but you.
Really?
Yeah, for real.
Okay.
Honey? Are you alright?
I'm fine. I thought as much.
Sweetheart. What is the matter?
I want to be left alone.
Are you trying to tell me you didn't miss me?
It's not about whether I missed you or not.
Then what is this all about?
We'll talk about it tomorrow.
Boy, you think you're wise, pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day your luck will change, and you will realize.
Anything like what?
My wife, she's behaving so strange.
Do you think she's in on me?
That is not what I'm saying. Did you quarrel with her?
She's your wife.
I told you to be careful here. This is my house.
Even when you trouble and come back.
Your food is ready.
Boy, you think you're wise, pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day your luck will change, and you will realize that love is a dangerous game. Playing love games.
Honey, what is the problem?
I don't have any problem.
You have not been yourself since I came back from home.
It is you who have not been himself.
Honey, if I have done anything, tell me, let me apologize. You're really hurting me with this your attitude.
Apologize? Go ahead. Apologize.
Maybe I should just go back to Enugu. That will give you enough time to be alone.
Honey, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. You know, it's my regular mood swing. I've been battling with it. I'm sorry, baby. I promise I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm fine.
I've almost broken in that.
I know. I'm sorry. Tomorrow is your birthday.
How can I forget something like that?
And I have a surprise for you.
Really?
Yes, I do.
Wow, I can't wait.
I know you can't wait.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hip, 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 hooray! Hip, 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 hooray!
Cut the cake. We'll just call your name, and then lastly we cut the cake.
D-A-V-E. Happy birthday! Okay, some drinks. Here you go.
Let's take a picture together. Okay. You take us first.
Okay.
Yeah, let's take a picture.
Okay.
Yes.
Auntie, you're not smiling. Beautiful.
I think this one.
Okay, come. Let me take you two together. Where's your phone? Let me use your phone. Okay, you guys should smile. Now I'm going to try and smile. I'll try and take with both phones. Yeah, what a nice picture.
Honey, excuse me.
So you two think you can fool me right under my nose, right?
What are you talking about?
Sleeping with her.
How can you say a thing like that? What's the meaning of this?
Ah, Dave. You don't even have any remorse.
Honey, stop. Chuma is just my blood. That is just a pet name.
Yes.
A pet? Shut up.
Did you say a pet's name? Sweetheart.
Honey.
How come I haven't heard you call her that pet's name?
Honey, Chioma here is just my blood.
That makes it even more disgusting, Dave. Have you no shame? Shut up your mouth or I'll shut it up for you.
Honey, it's not what you think.
Dave.
Honey, it's not what you think.
Pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day luck will change.
What are we going to do? I'm worried. Wow. Hey.
Love is a dangerous game. Playing love games.
How did you let this happen?
Playing love games. Selfish desire. Playing games with someone's heart. Cause you think.
She has to leave. She has to leave this house.
Says who?
She has to leave this house if this marriage is going to work.
You now tell me what to do in my house?
This is our house. She has got to leave.
She's not going anywhere with my legs. She's not going anywhere.
Then I'll do it my way.
Don't do anything stupid. Don't even try it.
Selfish desire. Playing games with someone's heart. Cause you think you're smart. Play with fire. And you're gonna get burnt. Playing love games.
If she doesn't leave this house, I will leave.
If I hear anything stupid when I return, I won't take it lightly with you.
David.
Honey.
Why are you acting like nothing happened? Not even a sign of remorse.
You owe me an apology. And until you realize that, there'll be no peace in this house.
I owe you an apology.
But one day
I owe you an apology, David. Is that how smart you can be?
You accused me wrongly, and that is terrible. Excuse me.
love games. Playing with fire.
I got it. Honey, you're not dressed.
Let's do it.
We have an appointment at the doctor's.
See, I'm enjoying this program. Go and sleep. Wait a minute. You want to take me to him so that he will start insulting me from where he stopped.
Come on, this is for our own good. We should see the doctor.
I don't want to have anything to do with any doctor. I don't want to hear your story of how you walked through my sinners. Please.
Love is a dangerous boy, you think you're wise. Pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day your luck will change, and you will realize that love is a
David, please, don't start. I'm already late.
Let me have the car keys. Let me have the car keys!
Baby, I can't wait to have you to myself. I'm tired of this hide and seek game.
The doctor wants to see you.
Your boyfriend. Baby!
Who are you? Sweetheart, I was passing. I saw you driving into this place. I didn't know you were living here.
Do I know you?
Baby, you're talking to Josh, your boyfriend.
Please, I have never met you in my entire life. What is the meaning of this?
What's going on? Is he your boyfriend?
Jimmy, what's the meaning of this?
Should be asking who the hell.
I don't know you. What are you doing here?
Baby, are you pretending or what? This is Josh. It's me, Josh. Are you having anything to do with that?
David, I don't understand what is going on here. I don't know you. I have never met you in my entire life. How did it go?
You nailed it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day your luck will change, and you will realize that love is a dangerous game. Playing love games. Playing fire. Playing love games. Selfish desire. Playing games with someone's heart.
David. We need to talk.
There's nothing to talk about.
David, I have forgiven you long ago. But you didn't have to defend yourself by playing that stunt out there.
You still have the guts to say rubbish. Wait a minute. Did you just say that rubbish? Is it because I didn't throw you out?
David, you and I know that all this was planned by you.
Shut up! You have just 3 days to tell me who that man is. Or else, you see yourself to your father's house.
3 days? I don't know who he is. I have never met that man in my entire life. I have never seen him before.
I have been married to you for how long now? Why hasn't anyone showed up? Why now? Why now? Why is all this happening now? I don't know him and you know it.
Rubbish.
Boy, you think you're wise, pulling the wool
Bobby, you didn't eat your food. You didn't eat your food. Why?
I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry.
Please, please, don't start. Just stop, don't start.
Oh. I see.
What's the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of
What's the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of what? She's leaving this house right, so there's no way I'm going to sit back and let her ruin my home.
Are you out of your mind?
Out of my mind.
Now, come on, take this back, take it inside now. Take it inside. I said, get over, take it inside now. Yeah, take it inside. You hit me. Take it inside. Now, take it inside. Come here, come on, take this back. Come here, come here.
Welcome.
And I am the one who has been accused of infidelity.
David, just say you are sorry.
And everything will be fine.
I don't have to apologize for something I am not guilty of.
David, did you say you were not guilty? Did you say you were not guilty? You were lying. You were nothing but a liar.
Stop it! Stop it this minute! I won't take it if you keep raising your voice at me like that. Excuse me.
David, is this who you really are? Is this your true color?
That question should be directed to you. I never knew you didn't trust me all this while. I believe you have something to do with that guy, that idiot. Until you tell me what that is and who he is, there will be no peace in this house. Excuse me. Chioma! Chioma! Why is there no food here?
I was cooking when your wife asked me out of the kitchen.
What? Why is there no food in this house?
There is no food.
David!
David! You want to hit me? No! Go ahead and hit me! Hit me! You useless, unfaithful man! Go ahead and hit me!
Hey! What have you done?
Let's take her to the hospital.
Leave her, she'll be fine.
Are you sure? She's been like this for an hour now.
She'll be alright.
something.
She's only unconscious.
Yes, she could die.
You don't have to be scared. Come here. Come here. Come on. Who's that? That's the one I'm Mama? How did you get that descendant? Joanne.
Good afternoon, Mama.
You're welcome. Where is your wife? David! Mama? Where is Sylvia?
Mama.
David! Mama? Is this how she dresses? Mama, that is just a nightmare. By the way, is this not Chioma, the daughter of Uwakwe? What is she doing here? She only helps us in the house. Help in the house? As what? House help? No digging? Mama, you need to be rest. Where is Sylvia? What's the meaning of all this? I think she went to...
Mama, will you take tea? Or Costa?
Maya, would you be ever? I'm not hungry. Go and call Sylvia for me.
Okay.
David! Where is your wife? Well, she went. Mama, excuse me.
Boy, you think you're wise, pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day your luck will change, and you will realize that love is a dangerous game. Playing love is playing with fire, playing love.
Hey!
Selfish desire, playing games with someone's heart, cause you think you're smart.
She's in the room.
No, she's not in the room. Where could she be?
Maybe I should call the police.
What? Police? No! You won't do that. You will complicate the whole thing.
I would have taken her to the hospital.
Maybe she left when we are asleep. What do we do now?
I don't know what to tell Mama. What do I tell Mama?
Tell her she went to church.
Church?
Yes, church.
This early?
Yes. Anybody can go to church anytime. She can go to church anytime.
I don't know. What have I done? What have I done?
Calm down. Calm down. She could hear you. Calm down. Okay?
Hey, why did Mama hear this early? Did she call you she was coming?
No.
No. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
What?
It's possible she called Mama. Yes, she called Mama and she's hiding somewhere in this house. I'm sure of that.
I'm so confused right now. I don't know what to say.
You're shouting, Mama is here. You know what? Tell her anything. Look for something. Just tell her anything, okay? Calm down. Take it easy. Maybe go before she comes.
Mama, I think she went to the church.
To the church?
Yes, Mama.
David,
Mama.
you look nervous. Is everything alright?
Mama, everything, I'm fine. I'm just fine. Everything is fine, Ma.
I did not ask if you're fine or not. I said, is everything alright? What is going on?
Mama, nothing is going on. Everything is fine.
Boy, you think you're wise, pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day your love will change, and you will realize love is a dangerous game. Playing love games, playing with fire, playing love games, selfish desire, playing games with someone's heart, 'cause you think you're smart, playing with fire, and you're gonna get burnt.
Something is definitely wrong somewhere. But whatever it is, God must surely reveal it to me.
Playing games with someone's heart, 'cause
Keep it there. Shoma, come on. You don't dress like this in this house. Eh? This is not decent at all. Easy if you want to. But who believe I feel okay? Eh? Who believe I've even one is so? This thing is not meant for everybody to see it.
Okay, Mama, I've heard. I won't dress like this again.
Hey! Who are you? Where is your wife? I thought you said she went to church, and up till now she's not yet back. Her phone is even switched off.
Mama, to tell you the truth, to be honest with you, I don't know where she is.
David, you don't know where your wife is? Baby, you are joking. Let me tell you, if anything happens to that girl...
Mama, nothing will happen to her. She will be fine. In fact, I've already reported to the police.
What? Police? David, the police! You reported? David! David! Hello? Hello? Oh, Sylvia! Sylvia, where are you? Hey! Okay, what happened? Hey, what happened?
Mama, I don't deserve this. I don't.
I know. Talk to me. What really happened? Ogini.
Mama, David wants to kill me.
What? Did David beat you? Why? Makaginisi?
Mama, just because I told him he was having an affair with Choma.
This will not be what I'm thinking.
Mama, there's evidence. There is. Don't deserve this. What have I done? What have I done? I only loved him.
Because I will start crying now. It's okay.
Mama, how can you believe that I'm sleeping with Choma?
What are you trying to say? That I'm blind? Or maybe I'm stupid? Did I not see both of you? Or did I kill you? Did I not see both of you?
Mama, David has changed. He'll keep denying it.
Mama, ask her. Ask her. Has she ever caught me with this Choma?
I don't need to ask anybody anything. I saw both of you myself. So what are you saying? I mean, how can a married man sleep on the same cushion with a girl that he is not married to? The girl that was almost naked.
Mama, do you know he even said that she's related to you?
Asiocha, she is not in any way related to us.
Mama, is Choma not from the same?
Shut up your mouth. Because she's the same village with us, that makes her a relative. Or even a Chikowam. This is carelessness. That girl must leave your house. All that happened, I beg.
Mama, nothing is going on between Choma and I. Don't you trust me?
Not anymore. I used to trust you, but not anymore. She will leave your house. She's the only wife you have that I know. Let me ask you, why did you even beat your wife?
Mama, she insulted me. Mama, do you know that one guy came looking for her in the house?
Mama, it's a big lie. It's a lie. David planned it out himself.
Yes. David, I am disappointed. Sometimes you behave as if I'm not the one that raised you. Hi. Oh yeah. Apologize to your wife. Apologize to her.
Apologizing means that I'm guilty.
Are you not guilty? No, I'm asking you. You are! So apologize to her.
Mama, I will apologize when I offend her.
David! David! Or can't you well leave it? Oh yeah, apologize to your wife.
Sorry.
Son, do it properly. Fine. Do many of man, see of man is sorry. Say you're sorry very well. Do it properly.
I'm sorry.
Mama, David has changed. That girl has bewitched him.
It's okay. Everything will be fine.
Playing love games, selfish desire, playing games with someone's heart, cause you think you're smart.
Oh yeah, go and pack your things and leave this house. Now!
Mama, have I done anything wrong?
You're still standing there, asking me questions, whether you've done anything wrong. If you must know, let me tell you. I don't want my son's marriage to break. Enolia? So go and pack your things and leave.
Oh, Mama. Did they say I want to break their marriage?
Did they say I want to break their marriage? You're still asking me, did they say? Let me tell you, they've been living in peace until you came. So leave! Pack your things and go!
I've been very hardworking since I came in here. I don't want to break their marriage.
I know you're jigolo. If I am, Mama me water. If you are going to you're sleeping with David, aren't you?
No, Mama. I swear. I don't have anything to do with David. He's just fond of me.
He's just fond of you. That's why you are sleeping on the same cushion with him. His name is your husband. Or Dikeh.
No, I don't have anything to do with him.
You're just trying my patience. I just closed my eyes. At the count of 3, go in there, pack all your things and leave. 1. No more. Mama, me water. Okay.
You are not going anywhere. This is my house, and I say what happens here.
David, I'm worried.
You don't have to be worried about anything. I am strongly behind you, okay? I am strongly behind you. Don't worry about anything, okay? Okay?
David, he said I should stay. That I should stay till next week.
David asked you to stay. And that's why you're staying. Are you out of your mind? Did I not tell you to go? You want me to push you? Ilana before. Ilana.
Mama, please. Let us stay till tomorrow. Please.
Why?
Mama, I don't have any money to give to her now.
I will give you money.
Mama, that is not the main point. The thing is that I promised her some money. And for her school fees especially. Moreover, this next month to go back to work, I understand. See the time now.
David, Mama, I know what you want. But that's why you see this girl, she must go tomorrow. I hope you heard it. You must go tomorrow. When you need. Just relax. Relax.
But one day your luck will change.
See that fridge outside? Don't drink water from it.
Why, ma?
I will tell you why tomorrow.
Okay. Is that all?
For now, that's all.
think you're wise, pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day your luck will change, and you will realize that love is a dangerous game. Playing love games, playing with fire, playing love games, selfish desire, playing games with someone's heart, 'cause you think you're smart, playing with fire, and you're gonna get burnt.
Mama, you see what I was telling you? Hey, don't worry, it's okay. They will not escape this time. You know?
Hey, David, this is very shameful. Hello, Poma David. So this is true. Where is you? Wow.
Now we know who's saying the truth.
David, how? You disappointed me. David, you are a disappointment. This is very shameful. And you, Shoma, I want you to leave my son's house this minute. And when I get back to the village, you will face your punishment. Face to face. David! Yeah. Hey! David! Hey! Anyone can be better. Eno fiazo will even watch China. David, Nyanya Bibe, you want to come watch China? When I do it, prem. Oh, one. All right. Shut up! I won't stop now. Why did you wake me up?
Hey, don't blame me.
Boy, you think you're wise, pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day your luck will change, and you will realize that love is a dangerous game. Love games.
I hope you understand the implication of what you've done. And I'm assuring you that when I get to the village, everybody must hear it. I will be punished properly.
Mama, please, no. Mama, please, I beg you, sister. Mama, please. Mama, please.
No.
Mama, please, I beg you.
I'll push you up.
Playing love games, selfish desire, playing games with someone's heart, 'cause you think you're smart, playing with fire, and you're gonna get burnt. Baby, don't give me another.
Don't touch me!
Just let me
Don't touch me! Leave me. I am leaving you. I am going back to my father's house. I don't care. You can tell that to the boys.
I never knew you were married before. Well, Now you know that going in and out of marriage is a bad stigma.
Yeah, I know. Thank God we finally succeeded.
Yes, thank God. And thank you very much.
It's okay. What my friends for? Okay. Just take very good care of yourself, your daughter, your husband.
I will. I will.
You're wise, pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day your luck will change, and you will realize that love is a dangerous game.